Hi, my name is Cecilio Mills. Most people call me CJ. I'm the president and CEO of Creative Adaptive Thinking. Creative Adaptive Thinking is a project management consulting firm, and we create solutions and adapt processes into competitive advantages and bottom line gains. Project management is important because it allows for companies to realize results through a process that can be repeatable, a process that takes a big problem, turns it into a little problem, has a well-defined schedule, and keeps everybody up to date on the progress of the project. It allows you to adapt to changes and ultimately think about what the success of the project is going to be and how that aligns with the company's strategic plan. Anyone can benefit from our services. Government organizations to Fortune 500 companies. In the end, with project management, you're able to ensure that you achieve what you set out to achieve from the get-go through the use of specific methodologies, whether that's minimizing defects, Six Sigma, having less than 3.4 defects per million tries, whether that's using agile methodologies where we can iterate and respond to change rapidly, or whether that's using a waterfall approach where we can fully define out the scope, fully define out the schedule, figure out what those costs are, determine the risk, and have a high quality function deployment for your project. It's important to ensure that you achieve your goals, and using one of these methodologies will help you to do that. We impact organizations with our services by first coming in and making an assessment. Typically, companies have a current state and a desired state. And how do we move you from that current state to the desired state? How do we fill the gap? And so we'll use a variety of methodologies to ensure that we're minimizing waste in processes, we're minimizing redundancies within your processes, and also that everybody has a clear understanding of who's responsible, who's accountable, who do we consult with, and who do we inform for any particular deliverable within the project. And by utilizing the soft skills, the leadership qualities, and bringing people together, we're able to tremendously impact organizations for the better. I got into this field because I saw a need for companies to be more efficient at what they do. I also saw a need for other project managers to be more effective. And so we started teaching boot camps to help other project managers get certified. We started conducting workshops so that we could take the knowledge directly back to these companies and have them implement it from day one, because sometimes the certification is not always important. And so my goal is to sort of push forward the field of project management so that others can benefit from this as well. Creative Adaptive Thinking is going to next build out a series of online and educational videos that you'll be able to see small chunks and utilize the knowledge and the information that you gather within your company. So for instance, if you're having a problem with risk planning, you'll be able to go and look at, well, what's our approach? How do we approach risk planning? And how do we come up with a probability and impact matrix? How do we define out all of the risk and then qualitate them? When we're done with that, how do we put a dollar sign to it? You'll be able to watch videos like this in a number of knowledge areas, whether it be procurement, stakeholder management, communication, whatever it may be. You'll be able to go to our website, watch these videos, and immediately bring the knowledge that you've gained back into your organization to have positive results. My goal is to push forward the field of project management. At this current point in time, there's a lot of secondary degrees that you can get in project management. You can get a master's, you can get a PhD. There's certificates that you can get. Not very many places offer a bachelor's degree in project management. And if we have a big push for STEM in our schools, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, well, project management is the culmination of that. And so we want to ensure that not only professionals have this opportunity, but the youth will have these opportunities as well. Thanks for tuning in. This is Cecilio with Creative Adaptive Thinking. We'll see you next time.